Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is AirPi Mobile Weather and Air Quality Measuring Station using Raspberry Pi. So here we are using one Android app, temperature, humidity, LDR, MQ135 air quality and CO, air pressure and BMP 180 sensors altitude. Okay, we will see the show underscore data.php. So here we can see the show underscore data.php to see all the data: temperature, humidity, LDR, air quality, and all the sensors data we can monitor. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using Raspberry Pi 3 and a 5 volts adapter, MQ9 a CO sensor, 16 cross 2 LCD display, and power supply module, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. MQ135 air quality sensor, LDR sensor, BMP 180 temperature, pressure, altitude module, DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor. And here we are using MCP3208 ADC for MQ135, MQ9 and LDR sensor. BMP 180 is I2C protocol and DHT11 directly digital output. Okay, so this is my hardware module. Let's start with the kit. So we need to start the power supply. Okay, so now Raspberry Pi will boot up. So now I am operating that kit. So advanced IP scanner. So this is a Raspberry Pi Foundation 192.168. So our network ID will scan this IP and open VNC viewer, and in this VNC viewer type 192.168.0.105. Our password is raspberry, then OK. So our open this and documents, file manager. So our project name is AirPi. Okay, AirPi, open this. So if you want to run this, so our LCD will starts working. So temperature MQ135, DHT11, and temperature, pressure and altitude MQ135, MQ9, LDR, temperature, humidity, and every time all the sensors data will be updated onto the server. Okay, show full data. Yeah, temperature 5 4. Okay, so 3 4. So temperature, humidity and LDR, MQ135, MQ9, and air pressure, air quality, air. So BMP 180 temperature, BMP 180 and air pressure, and BMP 180 altitude. So all these sensors will be continuously updated onto the server. So temperature data, altitude data and pressure, MQ135, MQ9 and LDR sensor. So all the sensors will be updated onto the server. So 16 cross 2 LCD display to monitor the sensors data. Power supply, MQ135 air quality sensor, LDR light dependent resistor to check the lighting, and BMP 180 is pressure, temperature, altitude, DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor, and MQ9 CO sensor. So here also the sensors value should be continuously monitored on PC. And we can stop this also. Stop. Okay, we can close, and if you want to shut down, here go to and log out. Okay, and then log out. So otherwise we can go for another time, we can see the data. AirPi. So run. So our sensors data will be starts working on. So temperature, MQ9, LDR, pressure, altitude, and it will send the data to server, air quality server, and send completed. So this hardware kit and mobile phone, our system all should be in one network. So that's why we will monitor, we will connecting to the VNC server, and we are operating this. So our project title name is AirPi Mobile Weather and Air Quality Measuring Station using Raspberry Pi. So we are monitoring the data. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.